Hi everyone, a very happy morning to you all. Today, September 5, Teachers' Day in India. As a teacher, it's really a proud moment. So today's thought, let me put forward to you through a story. It's really an interesting story and it's also a very fascinating story. So let me tell you. Once upon a time, there was a guru who had two disciples, two students. Their goal, their aim was to become good teachers. One of the disciples always feels Guru love other disciples more than him. It was really disturbed him, it was really irritated him. So one day he decided to ask to Guru and he asked, "Oh Guru, why do you love him more than me?" Guru smiled and said, "Tomorrow morning you have to go to the next village. You have to go for a journey to the next village. And you have to meet the people and you have to teach them what you learned from me." He was so excited because he has been learning lots of things from Guru. He said, okay. The next morning, he started his journey and he reached in that village and he saw some people, some workers, some carpenters, and he was so happy and he approached to them and he asked, "Can I teach you something?" They just looked to him and said, "We don't want your knowledge. Did you see we are working? We don't want to learn anything from you. You can go." He was little bit disappointed, but he was not ready to give up. He continues his journey and later he reached in a paddy field and he saw some paddy workers. Was so happy. At least now I can teach. And he approached to them and said the same question, "Can I teach you?" There also he could not. They were busy. They said, "We don't want to learn anything from you. You can go. We don't have time." So he was totally disappointed because he could not teach any single person. And he came back to Guru. He returned to Guru and said everything. "I could not teach any single person. Everyone was busy." Guru said, "Okay." Next morning, Guru sent the second disciple for the same purpose to the same village. And the second disciple, he reached in that village and he met these carpenters. And he asked the same question, "Can I teach you something?" They said, "We don't have time. We don't want to learn anything from you. You can go." Here is the point. You know what he said? He said, if you don't have time, if you don't want knowledge, it's okay. But I have time. I want to learn. And what he did, he accompanied with them and he learned their skill. After that, he continues his journey and he reached in that paddy field and he met these paddy workers and here also the same things. He asked the same question, "Can I teach you?" But they said, "We are busy, we don't have time, you can go." But this time also he said, "I have time," and he accompanied with them and he learned their skill. And after that he came back to Guru and said everything. Guru looked to the first disciple and said, "Did you see the difference? Did you see the difference between these two disciples? Both want to become teachers." First disciple, he went to the village to teach the people, but he could not. The second disciple, he also went to that village to teach the people, but he could not. But he learned from them. So dear students, so the thought of the day. So what do you get from this story? That is the thought of the day. The thought of the day is, a teacher is not only a person who teaches what he knows, but who is ready to learn from others what he doesn't know. I'll repeat the thought. The thought of the day you can see on the screen. A teacher is not only a person who teaches what he knows, but who is ready to learn from others what he doesn't know. I always believe a best teacher learn for the students, at the same time learn from the students. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.